Did you know 80% of jobs are never posted online? While you're spending hours on job boards, entire opportunities are passing you by, hidden in plain sight. But today, I'm going to show you exactly where these hidden job markets are and how to use them to your advantage, even if you don't have the experience. Hi, I'm Jeff, and I became a data analyst over 13 years ago. I started my career as a temp employee, worked my way up all the way to becoming a business analyst consultant, where I am today at United Health Group, a Fortune 4 company. The job market is tough right now, but I'm on a mission to help 10,000 people break into data analytics by sharing actionable strategies to land your first data job. So if that's your goal, subscribe now and join me on this journey, because I want you to be one of those 10,000. Picture this: you've applied to hundreds, maybe 500 jobs online, spent hours tweaking your resume, but still crickets. Does this sound familiar? Reality is, job boards are oversaturated, and the odds of landing a role this way are stacked against you. The problem isn't your skills, even your resume, it's where you're looking. Most people stick to the same crowded places, but the real opportunities are happening behind the scene, and this is what we call the hidden job market. What are these hidden opportunities? Let's break it down into strategies that work even in today's tough market. One is direct outreach to hiring managers. Most jobs are going to be filled before they're even posted, so reaching out to hiring managers with a personalized message can help you skip the line, at least get your foot in the door. So use LinkedIn to find hiring managers in your target company, craft a thoughtful message, and share how you can solve a specific problem for their team. Two is going to be the Chamber of Commerce events. This one's a game changer and something that people don't think about, especially if you don't have much experience. The local Chamber of Commerce is going to have networking events that are packed with business owners who need help, but don't have the resources for a full-time data analyst. So you can go to these events, network, and offer to analyze their data, take on projects for free in exchange for a testimonial or a reference. So this helps build your portfolio and also opens the door for paid work. Next is 3 alumni networks. So people love helping their alma mater. So tap into your alumni network for informational interviews, referrals, go to different business analysts, different intelligence, go to the department, see wherever else you can connect just inside your alumni. Many universities often host executive job boards or networking events just for alumni, so it's worth checking that out. 4 is industry-specific networking events. So conferences, meetups like TWI, or local analytics events are going to be a gold mine for networking. So these aren't just going to be for speeches and boring lectures, but this is also where you can connect with hiring managers or peers that can casually mention roles or open roles on their team that haven't been posted yet. So a pro tip is always follow up with the people that you meet at these conventions so you can keep those connections alive. 5 is going to be joining professional associations. So joining organizations like DAMA International or International Institute for Analytics gives you access to exclusive job boards, mentorships, and also insider connections potentially. These groups are going to be tailored to your field, so they're going to be full of people actively looking for talent like yours, specifically with your experience, even if you're not in data analytics yet, but you're in a related field. Next is going to be 6 hackathons and competitions. Hackathons are the ultimate skill showcase. Companies sponsor these events and often hire participants directly based on their performance. So platforms like Kaggle and local data hackathons are a perfect way to stand out, showcase your skill and also your diversity, and network with potential employers that are going to be hiring from these events. 7 is going to be volunteering and freelancing, which is something that is vastly underexplored by a lot of people trying to break into data analytics. Nonprofits and startups are always looking for analytics help, but don't always have the budget for full-time roles. Offering your skills as a volunteer or a freelancer not only builds up your portfolio, but often leads to temporary or even full-time paid roles. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are a great way for starting to find freelance gigs on the cheap. You may not get paid a lot, but at least you'll get the experience needed. Now that you have a way to tap into these hidden job markets, you want to supplement this by using LinkedIn. So check out my video on this LinkedIn strategy that you should be using to be able to get more interviews. So check that out here.